Have you ever been lost with no idea which way to go? Imagine being lost hundreds of years ago. No phones, no GPS, no maps. But people still found their way, thanks to something incredible: magnets. In this video, we're going to find out how magnets have been guiding us for thousands of years. Over 2,000 years ago, people in ancient China discovered that a special rock called lodestone could move things without touching them. Lodestone is a naturally magnetic rock, and when it's placed on a smooth surface, it would slowly turn and point in the same direction every time. This was the world's first documented compass. Sailors and explorers used compasses to find their way across land and sea long before modern technology. But how does a compass actually work? A compass is simply a magnet that can spin freely. The tip of the needle always points north. But why? The reason compasses work is that Earth itself is like a giant magnet. In the last video, we learned that some metals are magnetic. Deep inside our planet, melted iron and nickel move around and pull on the compass needle, making it point north. Magnets always line up with magnetic fields, so when you let a small magnet move freely, like the needle in a compass, it automatically lines up with Earth's magnetic field and points towards the North Pole. You can make a simple compass at home. Ask your teacher to download the easy, free worksheet in the comments and give a thumbs up if you tried it out. You can also check out the complete Forces and Magnets playlist here.